Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the world of social media with ease. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many of you face: unwanted notifications on Facebook. Specifically, we'll show you how to disable notifications for event suggestions on your PC. These notifications can be overwhelming, especially if you're not interested in every event that Facebook thinks you might like. To start, open Facebook on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your account settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. In the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of categories that Facebook uses to send you updates. Scroll down until you find the Events category. Click on it to view all the event-related notifications you're receiving. Now, let's focus on disabling event suggestions. Under the Events category, you'll see an option for Suggestions. This is where Facebook sends you notifications about events it thinks you might be interested in. To turn these off, simply toggle the switch next to Suggestions to the off position. By doing this, you'll no longer receive notifications about events that Facebook suggests for you. This should help declutter your notification feed and make your Facebook experience more enjoyable. If you have any other types of notifications you'd like to manage, feel free to explore the other options in the notification section. You can customize your notification preferences to fit your needs, ensuring you only receive updates that are important to you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your social media accounts.